So we move in. This is the iron doors to the apartment. We're moving into the sitting room. You can see this is the sitting room, well ventilated. You can see a lot of glassy windows. It's well lighted up, and the POP, modern POP design with chandelier lights everywhere. And you also see the tiles. Then that's you can see the lighting, lights, and also the sitting room is lighted up. And then this is the visitors toilet, very spacious visitors toilet. And let's check out the guest room. Here is the guest room. It's also spacious. Imagine guest room as spacious as this, with the wardrobe, and then it's double ventilated. Then this is the guest toilet. It's also spacious, imagine. And then we have the kitchen. This is the kitchen stove and the kitchen door. The kitchen space. I forgot to on my flashlight. So, but here is it. Here is the kitchen space, and this leads to the back. These are the kitchen furniture, kitchen cabinets, and the space for the gas. And then this is the backyard, the overhead tank there. And this is the back, the compound space. And then we move into the apartment. So then we go upstairs. We go upstairs. This is the rail by the side, the stainless rail. Go upstairs, and we have lounge here, a lounge in the upstairs. Here have a sitting room. Then you can see that space. There's a lot of space here before we move into the master's bedroom. See, this is the master's bedroom. It's also very spacious with the master's bedroom furnitures, with the POP up there. Here is the wardrobes with the shoe rack, and here is the master's toilet, the water heater. I see it, the space, the shower there, and the space here. And then we also come outside. This is the balcony, master's balcony, and the view of the city. You can see the development ongoing in the neighborhood. These are blocks of apartments, and then these are some of the estates within the neighborhood. These are estates development within the neighborhood. It's a fast developing neighborhood, and this is the compound. So let's check out the remaining rooms. We have 2 more rooms remaining. There we have, this is the laundry room for washing machine and washing. And then here is the 3rd room. It's also double ventilated with the wardrobe. Then here is the toilet and the bedroom, the water heater up here, shower, And then before we go back to the fourth room, this is the fourth room, which can be children's room too. There is the toilet and the bedroom, the shower, and the wardrobes for the children's room. Alright, see the tiles. I'm looking forward to have you. Thank you. Bye bye.